Hello everyone. Today's topic: difference between economic growth and economic development. Economic growth means increase in real output of goods and services, whereas economic development includes economic growth and as well as progressive changes in the economic and the social structure of a country. Economic growth is a single dimensional phenomenon as it focuses only on the income levels of the people, whereas economic development is a multi-dimensional phenomenon as it has to focus on income levels and as well as improvement in the standard of living of the people. Economic growth concentrates only on the quantitative changes, means if the number of products increases, it can lead to growth. But whereas economic development, it has to concentrate both on quantity and as well as qualitative changes. Economic growth can take place with or without the active role of government. But this is not in case of developing countries, because during the initial stages of development, government role is very important for the development of a country. Economic growth can occur when there is a faster change in the technology, and whereas this economic development, you can find higher level of economic development, especially when there is an improvement in the quality of life of the people. Economic growth is a key issue under traditional economics, means these countries follow trickle down approach. Means they always believe that if they take care of growth, then poverty would be automatically eliminated. But this is quite reverse in a development. All developing countries believe that if they take care of poverty, then growth would take care of itself. And on the scope basis, economic growth is very narrow. Why? Because it deals only with the changes in the per capita income levels. Whereas economic development is a wider concept because it has to concentrate not only in the changes in the income level but also with the well-being of a people. Economic growth is a short-term process, hardly 1 year. But whereas development is a long-term process, approximately 20 to 25 years, because it is not easy in developing countries to remove unemployment and poverty. It takes more time. So it is a long-term process. Economic growth is related to developed countries like Japan, USA, Switzerland. And economic development is mainly related to developing countries like India, Brazil, Afghanistan. Economic growth, during this economic growth, you may or may not find social changes, but social changes are compulsory in economic development because better jobs, availability of food, good health facilities, education, all these issues are very important in development. Economic growth does not indicate the distribution of income and wealth, but in developing countries, distribution of income is very important. Otherwise, the inequalities will be go on increasing. And the last difference between these two is that economic growth is measured by comparing the income levels or by comparing the growth rate every year. Economic development measurement is based upon the reduction in poverty, development of human beings and standard of living. So these play very important role in measuring the economic development. So these are the differences between economic growth and economic development. Thank you. In the next class, we will discuss objectives of economic development.